Ng Cinderella actually is nag-start ng mga way back na 2029 o 2011. And ito kasi ang nabuo ito dahil nung magsarado yung Port Bonifacio, ang golf course, nung magsarado ang Port Bonifacio, ay binuksan naman to as driving range. So yung mga members ng Bonifacio, wala ibang pupunta kundi dito. So dito din nakita-kita. So yung gabi-gabi na magkakasama nagkukwentuhan dito, naging lalong tumibay ang friendships. Ngayon ang bandang uli, dahil mga closer na nagkakainuman na dito sa aisle mismo habang pumapalo. Then nung nag-iinuman na habang pumapalo, ayun, maging close na. And then nagkasundo nga na magtayo na ng pangalan namin, almost. Sabi, ano ba tatawag natin sa grupo natin? So, kung ano-anong pangalan ng nabanggit, so meron nagsabi, sige, Cinderella. Bakit Cinderella? Kasi kinakailangan umuwi tayo with Port 12 para naman yung mga tayo hindi talagang malalasing ng gusto. So that's the reason why name Cinderella was we use it as the name of the group. Wala kaming formal na organization na hindi kami registered sa SEC o sa saan man. Basta sapat na sa amin kami mayroong nakikita-kita at nagkakatawa, nagkasama-sama.
Memorable events here in the Army Golf Course would be first time I scored a 79, and I'm sure it will never happen again. Also, there are the drinking days with Ulay. I'm sure everyone knows Ulay, and that was those memorable nights we were drinking until the wee hours of the morning. And it's fun. Really fun drinking with this guy because he will never allow you to go home early. He will keep on ordering more beers together with Benji Sales. And of course, I won't forget the fellowship nights we had after a golf game, especially with our good friend Fernand. Everybody knows Fernand, right? It's the best thing that I remember what he did.
Of course, yung monthly tournament, pagkatapos yung tuwing Pasko, yung gift giving para sa mga lahat ng stakeholders ng Army Golf, mga caddy, T-boy, T-girls, saka siyempre yung fellowship after the regular games natin. Yun lang.
Medyo, pakwento naman lang history ng Cinderella.
Ulitin ba?
Ay,
Ha?